Hi, grade 1, Emarati syllabus. Today I will start unit 4 in your book, USA phonics. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today I will start unit 4 in your book, phonics, United Arab Emirates, UAE. So today, let's go to know more about this unit. Listen to your teacher and say the sound and sing the phonics. Here we have ink, in, ink, in, igloo, iguana. Here is ego and iguana. I will repeat and repeat after me. This is called letter I, capital I and small I. How I write it? This is capital I and small I, written like this. Here we have ink, we have in, we have igloo, and we have iguana, and here is iguana. Okay, so it's kind of frogs. This is, I think, this is kind of frogs. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit. So here, I would like to say that the grade 1 and grade 2 depends on phonics only. From grade 3, I think we will go to the structure and grammar and so on. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we say listen and circle the correct picture. Here we have a picture and we have we take the suitable letter for this pictures. Here we have igloo. So here this we have I, letter I here, and letter I here. Okay. So here we have igloo. So here is letter I also, and here is in letter I. Here is in letter I. Here is igloo letter I. Letter I here, and letter I, and letter I. Okay. All these I have letter I. The last one all with letter I. Okay. Here is we have letter I here and letter I here. Here is we have letter I, and here is we have letter I. Here is we have letter I also, and letter I also here. Okay. So now we know the letter I here. Let's go to another one, to another item here in this unit. Here we have capital I and small I. Here is capital I written like this, capital I and small I. This is called capital I and small I. Let's go to another one here. Here we say match the words to the correct picture. Here we have pictures and we select the suitable word by suitable picture. Here we have in. Which one is in here? This one. Iguana, this one. Ink, this one. Here is igloo, this one. Okay. Here is we say point and say the words with the partner and color. Here we have igloo. Here is iguana. This is iguana. Ink. We can color as blade. We have here in. This is in, and this is igloo, as we know during the unit. Let's go to another item here, or another question here in this unit. Here we have, so here in this unit, we learn two letters, letter capital I and small I. We learn here capital N also and small n. I will repeat and repeat after me. Capital I and small I, capital N and small n. So your book depends on what grade 1, depends on phonics. So we must know how to pronounce the word, okay? Like here we have nuts. We have here nuts, 9, net, and nose. This is the words related to letter N. Nuts, we have here 9, we have here net, and we have here nose. Okay, we know letter I, and we know ink, in, igloo, iguana. This is the words related to letter I. So today we learn letter I and we learn also letter N. Let's continue the rest of our unit today. Here is what I have letter N. Here circle the capital N and small n. I will make a circle to the letter N. This is capital N, small n. Capital N and small n. Capital N, there is capital N, capital N. So here I make a circle about letter N that we learned here. Small n. So here N, N, N. Sorry, capital N, small n, capital N, or uppercase or lowercase. Okay, we know as two meanings: capital letter and small letter, and we know also uppercase and lowercase. Both are correct. Here is capital N and small n, capital N and small n, capital N and small n. Here is capital N. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Okay. I think it's easy. Your unit is easy, not difficult to know the words. We learn the words we learned and things we learned in this unit. I think the unit, our unit today is not difficult. Okay, is not difficult. Let's continue the rest of our unit today. Here we circle the words or pictures related to letter N. Here we have nose. We have here 9. We have here net. We have here nuts. All this related to letter N. 9, nose, nuts, and net, and so on. Here, this is the words related to this to letter N. Let's go to another item here. Here we call capital N and small n. I will write it here to pronounce how to write capital N and small n. This is capital N and this is small n. After I finish the video, I will leave you the link of the book, of your book, to practice how to write letter N. Okay, to practice how to write it. Here we have listen and circle the correct pictures. We have here nose. Which one? Here is nose. Here is net. Here is 9 and nuts. All these are the words related to the letter 9. But here we say listen. So here when we listen, we say you the one word, so I can select it. When I told you nose, so I select this one only. When I told you 9, for example, I tell you 9, for example. So I can make a circle on 9. Okay. Here we say net. So I select this one. I say nuts, so I select this one. Let's go to another item here. Here is an activity here. This is chant and the practice. Let's do it together. Practice and chant in different ways. Here is slow, fast, quiet, and loud. Slow, fast, quiet, and loud. This is the opposite, to say opposite words. Here we say, let's go to another item here. Here we say, this is the propositions, but here we write it as separated letters. Like here we say it, ate, up, and so on. Here we say, let's answer this question. Here is tab. Which one is tab? This one. So here we make separated the word to be to know if to know this what is this word. Here is tab. Here is pin. Written like this. Set. Here is the set. When you say sit down or set. Here is that. Here is that is the part of sit. Okay, set. Let's go to another one here. Here we say the words, stretch, count the sounds and words. Count the sounds and words. Here we have sit. So here 1, 2, 3, 3. To be here 3. Tape. 1, 2, 3. There is 3. Let's go to another one here. Here we say. Blend the letters, circle the correct pictures. Here is pin, here is pin, here is and, here is pin, here is pin. Which one is pin? This one. So here is pin. So I select this one. Here is and. Which one is and? This one. Okay. So here is and here is pin. Okay. This is the words related here in this picture. Let's go to another one here. Here we say what is the word here? Here is he say here sit. Here is sit. S-I-T. Here is to say tab. T-A-B light B. Okay. Don't say light B and heavy B as we know in Arabic culture. Okay. Like heavy B and light B. Okay. Don't say this. use the letters in the books, make words, write the sound and then words. Here we say, here I write the words here, like what here? Here we say set. I write here the word set. S-I-T, set. Here, how many sounds? Here, 3 sounds, 3, set. Here is, we say here, pin. Also 3 sound here, 3 sound. Here is sit and pin. Sit, S-I-T, and pin, B-I-N. We say here and also. We have here and 3 sounds. We have here and. So here in this part we have 3 words. We have here pin. We have here pin. We have here and. We have here sit. This is the words related here in this part. Let's go to another one here. There is the review on the unit. Let's do it together. Listen and circle the pictures that have the same beginning sound. Means that we have words that have some beginning sound. We have here tape, tiger, apple. Which of these sounds have the same sound? Is this one, tiger and tape. Snake, igloo, and ink. So these words have the same letter. Here is sit, X, and sun. So here we have the same sound, this one and this one, because we have here letter S and here have also letter S, the same sound. Here is we have pin, tree, put. So here is pin and here is put, and here is a pin, and here is pin. So here is both started by letter P. Let's go to another activity or another exercise here or another question here. Here we say, color the picture and match the sound. Here is letter S. Which one is related here to letter S? This one. Here is what? Here is a put. Which one is put? This one. Igloo. This one. Okay. Let's igloo, and we have iguana. Here's one. The 2 letters, the 2 pictures here related to the letter R. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is put and pin. Here we have put and pin. Okay, and here is snake. I forget this. So here we have snake and sun. Same letter S. Pin and pot. Here we have igloo and iguana. All this related to letter R. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have point to a picture. Tell the partner what it is. It's a snake. We say here it's a snake. It's what? It's an axe. It's what? It's tree. It's an igloo. It's pin. It's an iguana. It's a tiger. It's a tape. So now we know all the things in this picture. Have here, it's a snack. It's an axe. It's an axe. It's a tree, an igloo, a pin, an iguana, and a tape. It's a tape. It's a tiger. Now we know all the things that in this picture. By this question, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.